चतुर्थकम् लम्बोदरं पञ्चमं च षष्ठं विगडमेव च सप्तमं विघ्नराजेन्द्रं धूम्रवर्णं तथास्तमं नवमं बालचन्द्रं च दशमं तु विनायकम् एकादशं गणपतिं द्वादशं तु गजाननं द्वादशैतानि नामानि त्रिसन्ध्यस्पडे नरः नक्षविघ्नभयं तस्य सर्वसिद्धिकरम् प्रभो.
Just ask universe for help and we see wonders. That is what we call a miracle. I think Miss Febanan group have truly spread the spiritual vibe this morning. Thank you guys for creating a state of trance with your melodious voice. Aditi Devo Bhava. We Indians are known for hospitality across the globe. It is a part of code of conduct for Indian culture. For us, guest is equivalent to God. Now I request Ms. Avantika to formally welcome the gathering.
Good morning everyone. On behalf of KARAVALI College of Nursing Science, I extend a warm and hearty welcome to all of our freshers as well as senior students. It is a pleasure to see so many eager faces ready to embark on this new academic journey. Leadership is not about titles or positions. It is about one life influencing other. Without a great captain, a ship cannot conquer the stormy seas. Your commitment to excellence has shaped us into strong individuals. With that being said, I would like to welcome our Honorable Respected Chairman Sir, Shri S. Ganesh Rao Sir, Chairman, GR Education Trust. Sir, welcome. Leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality. A director like you does not just manage tasks, you build dreams, mend our hearts, and shape futures. Now I would like to welcome our Honorable Respected Chief Guest, Srimati Ladaji Rao Ma'am, Director, KARAVALI Group of Colleges. Welcome you, ma'am. A Japanese proverb says, better than 1,000 days of diligent study is one day with a great teacher. Now I would like to welcome our dearest principal, Professor Bhagirathi U. Ma'am, Principal of KARAVALI College of Nursing Science. Welcome you, ma'am. Now I extend a warm welcome to Professor Naina Hegde Ma'am, Vice Principal, KARAVALI College of Nursing Science. Thank you, ma'am. And memories in their stay. Your presence is the best gift we would receive today. Now I extend a warm welcome to all the guests of invitees to the program. Flowers are like flowers. They spread beauty throughout the world. Now I would like to welcome all the senior and junior teaching and non-teaching faculties. Welcome you all. Now, I would like to welcome the stars of today's program, our freshers. A heartfelt welcome to each and every freshers to the lamp lighting ceremony. Now I would like to welcome all the outgoing students to their farewell function. Welcome you all. Now I welcome all the proud parents who has graced us with their presence. I welcome you all. And finally, I would like to welcome all the third year and second year students to this program. Once again, I welcome each and everyone to this wonderful occasion. Welcome you all.
Thank you, Ms. Avantika, for formally welcoming the gathering, and I welcome you too. We have come to the most important part of the inaugural function. We have a lamp inside us. The oil of that lamp is our breathing, our step, and our peaceful smile. Our practice is to lit up the lamp. Now I invite our Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Director Ma'am, and dignitaries on the dais to kindly come forward and light the lamp of prosperity and knowledge. Dies in the surf hardling the way to new world than stand idly on the shore, says Florence Nightingale. Now I request our Honorable Chairman Sir and Director Ma'am and dignitaries on the dais to kindly for a floral tribute to Miss Florence Nightingale.
That light will lead your life throughout your life. You will be a nurse after 4 years, committed with why this photo is there. One of the best nurse of the world. So nursing profession is such a holy profession. It is not a job. There are many professions in this world. You go to IT, it is a job. There is no human touch. You go to some engineering field, it is a job. You don't have human touch. Wherein some courses like medicine, your nursing, it is connected with human beings. So even the teaching profession, it is not a job because you are developing the students, another human beings, junior human beings. So here, students should understand the day when you light the lamp, I told the seniors also, don't take nursing course just as a course. 4 ವರ್ಷ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಅವು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಲೋನ್ ಕಿಟ್ಟಿ ಜೋಲಿ ಕಿಟ್ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಲೋನ್ ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ ಅವು ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಅವು ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ ಆ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲೆಜ್ ಆರ್ ಕಮಿಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಸರ್ವ್ ದಿ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್. All the doctors do agree. It is not only the doctors, it is also doctors plus nurses who can perform well in healthcare. Of course, pharmacists are there, physiotherapists are there, so many allied healths are there. But nurses are working hand to hand with the doctors. So a touch of humanity, that is the reason that photo is there. Somebody was quoting Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa on those days, when people were not ready to touch leprosy or whatever it is, she was the one who went to the field, grassroots level, touch the patients. That was so with the AIDS, that was so with the corona. See, God goes on checking and testing the truthfulness of the human being. All the professions, especially in medicine and what we say nursing, this is more. When corona was there also, so many nurses lost their lives, so many doctors died. But in spite of that, not even a single nurse or a single doctor showed their back. They served the society with a smiling face. That is nursing profession, and that is my message of the day. Jolly kittu, paisa kittu, salary kittu. It is not only stop there. The end of the day, you have a satisfaction. I am a nurse. I am serving the mankind. I am serving the fellow citizens of this country or abroad, and I am duty bound not only to maintain, upgrade and elevate the health standards of the human beings, also to maintain the ethical standards. You'll be knowing some secrets of the patients. You cannot go on, publishing the social media. Or like what you are doing in your social student life, you cannot go on telling, no, there is nothing like that. You are duty bound to maintain the secrecy. In other words, holiness. Each and every human being produced or blessed by God the Almighty are unique. 120 students are there in the first year. You can't compare not even a single student to another student. Or any, people say there are 7 similar people, maybe structure-wise, look-wise, but the nature-wise, behavior-wise, attitude-wise, every human being is unique. I don't know where God has time. You cannot see another Ganesha in this world. You cannot see another season, you cannot see another this girl, or you cannot see another photographer like this. Physically there may be some similarity, but mentality, thinking. So the holiness of the profession involves and includes in maintaining the professional ethics. There may be one doctor, one nurse in this world who has misused a patient for the sake of money, for the sake of some other greedy things. But majority, maybe 99.999 people, they are professionals. Professionals means you are concentrating on the health care of the human beings. You are not looking into the purse of the people. You are not looking to the caste of the people. You are not looking at the, region of the people. Tomorrow some of you may go to Canada, England, US, UK, so many developed countries. Indian nurses are in a great demand because of the commitment, because of the ethical standards, because of the education standards. Indian Nursing Council is doing great in the entire world. Even the developed countries are appreciating Indian Nursing Council standards, including the syllabus, including the upgradation. Even recently our Indian Nursing Council chairman is elevated to International Council of Nursing. He is selected as executive committee members. Who knows, he is capable. One day even he may become a chairman for the entire world. Why I am mentioning all these things? Your age permits you to be little hanky-panky. Little problem, little rumors, little laziness. It's okay, you are students. We are here to develop you. But one thing is very clear. Day one, today onwards, when you light the lamp, pray God, commit yourself. I am going to be a nurse. And I will be a nurse, that's all. No other definition is required. For a doctor, doctor is a doctor. No other definition is required. What is doctor, whether you are Ayurvedic doctor, whether you are English doctor, that will not make any difference. For a nurse also you are a nurse. Which specialty you may work tomorrow? You may work in ICU. You may take care of the patients who are in the deathbed. You may work for OBG, where a mother is waiting to give birth to a, infant. There will be fear in the PD. You will have the fear. Mother will die, kid will die, what will happen? Work without fear. If you are a real nurse, I am telling seniors also, remove the fear from your thinking. Once I have a fear, if the doctor nalle unda ille, if the medicine prescription, whether it is right, you have to take care. There is a two things. One is taking precaution. Prevention is better than curing. Hope teachers are teaching all these things. It is not only class, part, nursing, fundamental, specialty, nothing like that. Any knowledge without common sense is equivalent to zero. All the MBAs are not successful in this world. All the doctors are not successful in this world. All the engineers are not successful in the world. But I won't think there is a failure nurse. There may be best nurse and there may be average nurse. There is no failure nurse. That is the reason you should not have any fear. You should be professional. And you should learn. It is not only 4 years nursing or 2 years MSc nursing. Every day is a classroom. You don't know which department tomorrow you are going to work. Say Corona time. Even without holidays or so-called shift 1, 2, 3, 8 hours, 6 hours, people used to quarrel. But Corona time, most of the nurses have not even gone to their house for 1 month or 2 months because they were afraid it may spread to their family, number one. Number two, there was a necessity in the hospital. They were wearing the mask, they were, washing their hands, they were taking care of it. So, nursing profession is a unique profession, a different profession. Don't compare engineering. Nangala cousin avade undu, Bangalore undu, Mangalapur undu, Bombay undu, ingana ithre salary kittu. Adanalle, idanalle. Here, along with your nurse post, along with your salary, you are also going to get a satisfaction. There is a saying, usually teaching profession, now I don't know, earlier. Because now entire social structure is changing, so naturally, not only economy changed, even thinking climate, ethics also changed. Earlier, especially primary school teachers, their children used to do very well. Because that is the one job where they were not getting bribe. You can get bribe in revenue, RTO, everywhere. But a primary school teacher will not get, or any teacher will not get a bribe. So they served, their children have become big people. So I feel today I would like to announce, nurses' children also will be very good. They will be blessed by God. Clap ille. She is worried, if marriage I lippa in the kutti then. Marriage how? Alle, season. Avale, Sherry. You will get married. You will have a handsome husband and beautiful wife. What I am telling, salary, recognition, and end of the day it is satisfaction. If you are a Christian, pray Jesus. God give me strength. If you are a Muslim, tell Allah, God give me strength. If you are a Hindu, you have plenty of gods, Rama, Krishna, whomever you want. Pray them. God give us strength to handle. Every day is a challenge. Every day is unique. And you will be happy once the outcome, once the patients get recovered. Once a mother gives a birth to a child. Once a ICU patient who, doctor says, I can't assure you 24 hours, 48 hours observation. When they get discharged, there will be a small smile in your face without your knowledge. Because that smile will be the reflection of the patient's satisfaction and respect towards the profession. With these few words, my students, all the best. Only 2 sentences about KARAVALI. Never ever you will regret for joining KARAVALI. Competitions are there. Rumors are there. People are spreading rumors sometimes. Don't care. I'll ask you one question. Especially social media. Maybe very few consultants who want to take students to some other college. Will you believe if somebody talks bad about you? Will you believe when somebody talks bad about your parents? Because you are staying with the parents, you know your parents very well. As far as you are concerned, you know what you are. So with the college, when people try to spread, if at all somebody is doing, just neglect. You are in the right place, you are in the safe hand, you will be given good education, hospital facility, everything is there. You will not regret. Now, I have blocked my messenger, but in spite of that, sometimes message comes. Yesterday also I received a message. Some batch, old batch, sir, I am going to England. My question, why they have to inform me? I am not a teacher, I have not taken your class. The bond, the understanding, the mutual respect. Because this college safeguards the interest of all the students. There is no, communal things like Hindu, Muslim, Christian. There is nothing like Malayalis, Kannada, North Indians. You are treated as a student. I would like to tell very clearly, parents, I don't know how much you can understand English. Leave them to enjoy their life. We'll take care of. Don't worry about your children. They are in the safe hands. We'll take care of not only nursing professional aspects, also personal aspects. Karavali students are decent students. We don't entertain, encourage any illegal, immoral activities. Accidentally somebody tries also, there will be failures and it will be eradicated from the system. So once again, all the best. Come out with the flying colors. Be confident. I want to see smile when you come with the lamp. Don't come on the PD. Pray God. God's job is to only bless you people. God never curses. Sometimes you tell God must be angry, cursed. God never curses. Whether it's a Hindu God, Muslim God, or a Christian God, there is no difference in the God. We made religious. We made regions. We made the system. God has not done anything. So pray God, come with the smiling face the life, study next 4 years. Because the smile is a basic requirement of a nurse. Whether you are a male or female, it will not make difference. Because when you go to patients, if you go like this, and there is a serious case, it's a not like that. And no problem, God is there. I'll take care of you. See, it is injecting confidence along with the medicine. Usually whenever I address doctors, I say, it is not only medicine. Medicine is 50 or 60%. Balance 50 to 60% is injecting confidence on the patients. So you need to have the smile in your face. Come into the send-up team. Where are they? Where is final year team? No boys? If you sit behind the girls, who will see you? Why you want to take shelter? Pediaya. At least after marriage you confront. Okay. Now it is okay. Just for fun I told. You are completing the course. Mostly you are going for employment. Some of you may go for MSc. 2 things. Just now I was talking about God. God never will curse. You need to have basic 2 things. BSc certificate you will get from Rajiv Gandhi University. What is required is a confidence. As I told, smiling face. You recall how you entered Karavali, a typical Malayali style. How you are. Now you are like a hero or heroine. Nalla dress like it. That is a confidence. I am not talking about the physical, this thing. I am talking about the face. I am talking about your eyes. Your eyes are shining. You started dreaming. And this light, the God will support you to smile. And your eyes will continue to smile till the last day. Have that confidence. You look at India or foreign experience, influence. No, what do we say? Achievers achieved in the life with influence. It's the only shortcut method. You go to MLA, MP or minister and take a letter. You'll be there only. Actual soldier, actual achiever in the life. This is my message to final years. Believe in yourself, you are not weak. Never ever develop that inferior complex. Maybe some language problem, some financial problem, some background, some support. If nobody is there to support you, there is a God to support you. You should note down till your last date, 60 year, 70 year, 80 year. If anyone who thinks, I don't have influence, I don't have anybody support, one college is there, we'll back you. After 15, 20 years also, 2002 or so, we started college. Or 2003. 2003 we started a college. Now also we get inquiry, especially from abroad, those who are going to Canada, US, UK. All the verification comes here. Whether she is a principal or somebody else is a principal, I strictly told, we are writing only positive. When you were a student, you might have created some problem, you might have caught. Rarely even you might have got the small punishment. Punishment is very less here. We are not punishing the students. Very minor. We have not suspended, debarred any students. But when it comes after 15 years, 20 years, the verification of the student, this college, this management has a policy to write only positive and support, because at the end of the day, you are our students, you are our children, and you are a member of the Karavali family. Just because you disconnected from the course and you got the TC, You are not out from Karavali family. You are member of the Karavali family till 95, 96, 98, 120 till you die. You have paid fees for 4 years, but our relation is for 100 years. So, go out of the college with confidence. Either go for higher studies or go for employment. Concentrate more on the experience. Whatever I told the first years, it is applicable to you. Take it as a challenge, take it as a commitment, take it as a puja. How you go to church Sunday, how you go to Friday, the mosque, how you go to every day to the temple. So take the profession like that. Without your knowledge, you will cover 1 year, 2 year, you will complete. And whatever I told you will recover, you recollect at that age. You will have that confidence. You will be mini doctor. Till the doctor comes, nurse handles. After medication, again nurse hands. Doctor comes only in between. When a patient enters the ward or wherever it is, a casualty or whatever it is, who attends first? A nurse. So be confident. Second, I told you need not regret. I am telling you, 4 years you enjoyed your life. Don't tell no. I know what you have done. But I am happy about that. I am proud of it because it is not a military. You are a student. What you have to enjoy in your age, blood you enjoyed. Accept it. Admit it and appreciate that. We have not blackmailed or misused any students. It's an official statement. Not only this batch, any batch. We expect our students to enjoy and win the life. You need not appreciate win the life. Naan Karaval study I came. Don't want. We don't have expectation. Because when we consider you as our family members, our only dream, a father only dreams that his son or daughter should do well in your life. That is my expectation. So you are going out after a few months. Go out with the confidence. Be proud of yourself. Don't develop any complex. Many times you should English, background, money, finance, love, etc., etc., etc. Nothing doing. You have every reason to be proud of yourself, whether you're a boy or girl. Many times I told, height, weight, body, six-pack, only one pack in a life. That is a face, a smiling face, a confident face. Even God should not hesitate to support you. Once you sit like even God will think, this waste body, why I should help? Once you are confident, once you are open-minded, once you love yourself, that is exact language. Respect yourself, self-respect. Appreciate yourself, your friend may not appreciate. And be proud of it. Be confident. Your day will come, your time will come. Everybody, I am telling juniors and seniors, will have a time, good and bad time. If the time is not good, wait for the good day. Good day will come, good time will come. You will flourish, you will be successful. No one can stop. A Bhagavan ka leela hai. It's a God's creation. That is the reason, my dear students, thanks for your 4 years company. Thanks for all your hanky-panky naughty things. Thanks for the disturbance also what you have created. It's a part of life. You are going, you are now, juniors are ready for that. But whatever good things you learned here, respect the law, whether in India or abroad. Help colleagues and others. Never ever get caught with this Hindu, Muslim and regional, religious, linguistic problem. Don't go to the level of dreaming bad for others. If possible, dream good for others. If possible, help. Otherwise, at least to be neutral. Everyone has a right to appreciate themselves and their religion, their language, their region. It won't mean that you have the right to criticize others. Now what is happening? Hindus are telling we are great. Yes, I am a good Hindu. I expect you to be a good Muslim or a good Christian. But who gave the authority to criticize other caste, other community? You are a Malayali, be proud for Malayali. You are a Kannadiga, be proud for a Kannadiga. But who gave you the right to criticize a Tamil, Telugu, Hindi or some other country? Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, it is an Indian culture. Entire world is one family. You know it better. I am sure at least 10 to 20% students after 2-3 years will not be in India. I expect you to continue in India. salary level is increasing, still you have a flair to go out. Go out. 5 saal, 10 saal. You work, you earn some money, enjoy and come back. Because it is a one life, it is experience. Those who have flair for it, don't stop. I am for you to continue in India. At the same time, being a father of the institution, I will not say you should not leave India. You have a flair for it, you have an interest for it, you like it. Who am I? Who is government to stop you? You enjoy. And always remember, select a path, walk. Don't wait for the comment. Sometimes your own classmates, friends, family, they may tell, oh no. Straight walk. Those who criticized, they will follow you after a few years. With this confidence, can I expect that smile when you come to stage? Don't come like this. I know how not you are. I know girls also, don't worry. You are totally excused. For the simple reason, first day I told you are like my children. Now also you are like my children. When you become 60-year-old and when you bring your grandchildren to this college also, you will be my children. I always announce, here chairman and madam has only one relation. Whatever you may be, tomorrow you may become Rashtrapati or Prime Minister, or this girl may become the Chief Minister of Kerala. If Umman Chandi can, who is the now present CM? Pinarayi can. Why not you? Why not he? Ale. It's okay. But this chairman will be boss that time also. If you become CM also, I will talk in the same tone. Hey, badayode, like. That is a bond of love. A father will never bend. Father should not bend. My message to all the parents, be happy. Don't think too much. Joli kitto indao, bank loan undu indao, marriage ava, evde kittu, ella kittu. When you are young, your parents were also thinking, if you have not lost life, how come your children will lose? They will not lose. All the Karavalians will be successful. God will bless all the students. All the best. Thanks for organizing this function. Other 2 classes, second year, third year, for organizing. Next year you will be senior. So it is like a water. But the water flows, it is always clean. When the water is blocked, it starts stinking. Mosquito will come and malaria will come. So knowledge and life is like it should go on flowing. Now you are playing the role of students. Tomorrow you will play the role of nurse. Day after tomorrow you will be husband or wife. Then you will be mother. Then you will be a father. Then somebody will be grandfather, grandmother. Somebody will be in the social field. Somebody will be in the religious field. Let the water flow. Whatever God has written, enjoy it. Don't hesitate. Don't show the back. A small problem comes, don't say, oh, what is this? Face the problem with a smiling face. God will get tired and He will bless you. With these few words, once again, congratulations. All the best. Can I expect a good, happy sound? Itara. Thank you.
administer the Nightingale Pledge to the students.
I solemnly pledge myself before God and in the presence of this and to practice my profession faithfully. I will abstain from whatever is deleterious and mischievous and will not take or knowingly administer any harmful drug. I will do all in my power to maintain and elevate the standard of my profession and will hold in confidence all personal matters committed to my keeping and all family affairs coming to my knowledge in the practice of my calling. With loyalty will I endeavor to aid the physician in his work and devote myself to the welfare of those committed to my care. Congratulations, my dear angels, and all the best, my finalists. Thank you.
This little guiding light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine all the time, let it shine. Hide it under the bushel, no, I'm gonna let it shine. Hide it under the bushel, no, I'm gonna let it shine all the time, let it shine. Take my little light round the world, I'm gonna let it shine. Take my little light round the world, I'm gonna let it shine all the time, let it shine. This little guiding light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little guiding light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine all the time, let it shine.
Continuous self-improvement as you take the next big step. Remember that we are behind you in every step of the way. May no gift be too small to give, nor too simple to receive with love. Now, I kindly request our respected Chairman Sir and Director Ma'am to hand over the token of love to our outgoing students. Now, I request Mr. Arandrison to call out their names.
Lavanya, Alina Jose, Neva P, Anamika Lee, മേഘന സണ്ണി, അഞ്ജലി ആർ, അഞ്ജന, നയനേന്ദു എം എച്ച്, നിഷ, അൻവിക എച്ച് എം, പുഷ്പ യമനപ്പ, അപർണ പ്രകാശ്, ആർ ഐശ്വര്യ, രമ്യ ഷെട്ടി, ആദിൽ സിംഗ്, ഷെറിൻ സജി, അജേഷ് ആർ, ശില്പ ചൗഹാൻ, ആൽബിൻ ബിനു, സ്നേഹ സുനിൽകുമാർ, ആരോപൽ കെ, സ്നേഹ ബി, അരുൺ രാജ്, സ്ഫൂർത്തി എം ആർ, ആശിഷ് പ്രകാശ്, സൂര്യ, അതുൽ സജി, തനുജ കെ, മിഥുൻ സി എം, വീണ പി കെ, മുഹമ്മദ് Yashaswini KS, Vivek Singh, Zetna T, Prasen Gill, R. Nagarjuna, Suni Surendran, Prati Krishna, Vishnu Santosh, Sanjay K, Vivek S, Srihari K, Pradeep Ji, Shashi Kumar BT, thank you.
Honorable respected Chairman Sir, respected Director Ma'am, respected dignitaries on the dais, guests of invitees, beloved teachers, parents, juniors, my dear classmates, and everyone present here. Today, I stand before you with a heart full of mixed emotions. Happiness for what we have achieved, sadness that this chapter is ending, and gratitude for the people who have made this journey unforgettable. For the past few years, this institution has been more than just a place of learning. It has been our second home, a place where we grew, not just in knowledge, but in character. We came in as strangers, uncertain of what lay ahead. But today, we leave as confident individuals, carrying memories, friendships, and lessons that will stay with us for life. We are very grateful for our respected Chairman, Sir, because we are not just a nursing college, but a nursing college with its own hospital, where we were exposed to extensive clinical knowledge. And I once again thank our Chairman, Sir, and Director, Ma'am, for giving us a life-changing experience and being a second parent to us. I must take this opportunity on behalf of all the fourth year BSc Nursing students to mention our deepest gratitude to our institution. We have been blessed with many opportunities along our 4 years here, and I must mention a few. It includes our distinguished list of teachers who has always there for us in every step of the way. Curricular and extracurricular activities which induced more knowledge. Many festivals which created unity. Sports Day which lifted our good sportsman spirit. Health educations where we learned the power of educating the people. Many pujas which given us all the blessings. And last but not the least, our 12 days administrative posting in Delhi and Manali, where we discovered the health sector in detail. I must also mention our gratitude to our administrative officer, respected Session Sir. He is the one who given us the freedom to call him a friend whom we can approach any time. From the bottom of my heart, thank you, sir, for always being by our side. I must also mention our gratitude to our principal, ma'am, as the Student Council Vice President, and on behalf of all the Student Council members for your unwavering support and determination in running the Student Council and successfully carrying out many programs. To our beloved principal, respected Professor Bhagirathi U, ma'am, we owe you a very special thank you. You have been the pillar of strength and guidance for all of us. Your leadership has been a perfect blend of discipline and compassion. You have always encouraged us to aim higher, support our initiatives, and reminded us to carry ourselves with dignity and integrity. Ma'am, your belief in us has inspired us to believe in ourselves, and for that we will always be grateful. To our Vice Principal, respected Professor Nayana Hegde ma'am, a special thank you for always being there for us, being always approachable, always ready to listen, and always willing to guide and supporting us, especially during our administrative trip. Thank you, ma'am. To our teachers, you have been our mentors, guides, and inspirations. You didn't just teach us from books, you taught us about life, responsibilities, and perseverance. Your patience and encouragement shaped us into who we are today, and for that, we are forever grateful. To our juniors, you are the torch bearers now. Cherish your time here, because these days will pass faster than you think. Keep the spirit of unity alive, support one another, and aim high. We'll be watching your success with pride. To my fellow classmates, thank you for the laughter during the good times, the support during the hard times, and the memories that will always warm our hearts. We may be parting ways, but our bond will remain. I should also include my personal gratitude for being with me in every program that we have conducted so far. Thank you. As we step into the world, we take with us not just our degree, but the values we have learned here. Respect, dedication, and the courage to dream big. In the words of Helen Keller, what we have once enjoyed, we can never lose. All that we love deeply becomes a part of us. This place, these people, and these memories will always be a part of us. Today is not the end of our story, but the beginning of a new chapter. Let's carry forward the pride of being part of this institution wherever we go. Always be proud to be a Karavalian. Thank you, and wishing everyone a bright and fulfilling journey ahead.
Valuable memory. Gratitude is the attitude. Feeling gratitude and not expressing it is like wrapping a present and not giving it, says William Otherword. Now, I request Mr. Advait to propose the vote of thanks.
We cannot do great things on this earth, only small things with great love. So, thank you creates love. It is my privilege and honor to propose the vote of thanks on this special occasion of our lamp lighting and farewell program. First and foremost, I take this opportunity to extend our deepest gratitude to our honorable respected Chairman Sri S. Ganesh Rao Sir, Chairman GR Education Trust, for his constant guidance, support, and encouragement that makes every event possible. Thank you, sir, for finding time for us in your busy schedule. I must mention our deep sense of appreciation to our honorable respected Srimati Letaji Rao ma'am, Director, Karavali Group of Colleges, for her inspiring leadership and vision, which have always motivated us to give our best. Thank you, ma'am. A sincere thank you to our administrative officer, Sishan sir, for extending all necessary support and encouragement. Thank you, sir. We are deeply grateful to our respected principal, Professor Bhagirathi U. Ma'am, Principal, Karavali College of Nursing Science, for her encouragement, wise counsel, and for always leading with a perfect blend of discipline and care. Thank you, ma'am. Our thanks also goes to our Professor Nayana Hegde ma'am, Vice Principal, Karavali College of Nursing Science. Thank you, ma'am, for your support. And I also extended my gratitude to all guests of invitees who has delighted us with their valuable presence. Thank you all. I shall not be filling in my duty if I don't express my gratitude to the teaching and non-teaching staff. Thank you all teachers and staff. A special word of thanks to all the parents who came to this program I extend my gratitude for your valuable presence today. We extend our appreciation to our budding nurses and seniors for their presence and cooperation. I also extend my gratitude to the auditorium, catering, light and sounds, and decoration team for making this grand success this week. Finally, I wish a special thanks to all program committee conveners, assistant conveners, leaders and members for their hard work behind the scenes, which has ensured the comfort and enjoyment of all present today, and for their tireless effort, teamwork and dedication in planning the execution of this function to perfection. Thank you all. To each and every person who contributed directly or indirectly to the success of this day, we say a big heartfelt thank you. Thank you all and have a wonderful day ahead.
Anata